Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Harley-Davidson DYNA Street Bob. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 22,924 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a functioning brake light switch, operational rear turn signals, an operational horn, steering issues addressed, an exhaust leak addressed, as well as passenger handholds and a new clutch lever. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the rear fender is loose, the rear turn signals are also loose and the wiring is worn through from the rear tire, and the fuel gauge spins. In addition, the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a bent and scraped shift lever, holes in the rear fender, this bike has one key and has been upgraded with an aftermarket 2-to-1 exhaust, an LED headlight, smoke turn signals, aftermarket wheels, aftermarket handlebars and handlebar risers, grips, rider foot pegs, a shift lever, a horn, a Mustang seat, and a Harley-Davidson Stage 1 intake. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.